Welcome to ICO reviews, and today I'm reviewing Kobancoin. But please, before I continue, I want to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I'm saying in this video review is strictly my personal opinion. Make your own decision. Now it says the world's first and only bonus paying crypto gold. Now they call this a crypto gold. If you know that many years ago the US dollars was backed by gold. So Kobancoin, they say, is going to be backed by the value of gold. And the more the price of gold keep going, the more the price keep going. Now, so let's go down quickly and check it out. And you can watch the video here about Kans Money Limited that is partnering with Kobancoin. You can watch this video. Now, it's going to start June 10, that is pre-sale, and which has already started Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Fiat. Exchange rate is 5 cents, and the minimum you can purchase is $50. This is token distribution and the fund distribution. This is the roadmap. Now let's see the team: Tariq Shosha, Muhammad Ali, Mubashir Javad Aga, Placement Store Shelf. These are the team member, and these are the advisor for this ICO. Now, this is what it says about Shelly Homecoming. It says Kuban, along with its partner Kans Mobile Limited, launched a project for the well-being of the needy people. In this regard, we have developed multiple projects which will be implemented in Tanzania. The funding for those projects will be done by Kobancoin and Kans Money Limited as per the following method. For every 1,000 KBC sold, 10 KBC shall be donated for the cause by Kobancoin, and 10 KBC will be deposited by Kans Mining Limited. Once the KBC is launched on the exchange, the KBC collected in donation funds will be uncashed and used for the charity project. So in a nutshell, they are planning to use part of the proceeds from this project to help the poor people. And in the YouTube video here, you will see the mining farms. They have used the Kobancoin YouTube channel, and you can see gold mining in Tanzania. I've watched the video. You can watch this to real gold mining in Tanzania, gold mining in Tanzania. You can check them out yourself. Check them out yourself. So this is the white paper well put together, and I've gone through the white paper, and I encourage you to take your time and to go through the white paper one after another to see what it's all about. And total supply is 1 billion. Trackers, the symbol is KBC, soft cap is $5 million, and hard cap is $20 million. You can see here. They are available on Twitter too, and other social media like Telegram and the rest. So in the Twitter you can find more information of news they have. And in this who is so registered on 18 and expired on 19. This information, Arizona, USA, and all the rest. So I'm going to leave the link of this down below. You can sign up for this ICO and go up for this ICO. I also love the fact that they are getting involved in charity, helping people with part of the money they will be earning from this project. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'm very glad you take your time to go through this video to let you know about Kobancoin and for you to make a decision and go for it. Please, before you go, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to bring more videos for you. I will let you know about more ICOs that is coming up and what I think about them. Thank you very much, and until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.